Hey guys, my name's Tyler Smith here with MarineMax Texas MasterCraft, bringing you another new piece of inventory. This is a 2023 Crest 220 LX. This one's been optioned with the center walk-through dual helm. We do have a 150 horsepower Merc on the back, as well as our ski tow bar, so you guys are going to be able to do all your water sports and everything. As we step inside the boat, like I said, it is a center walk-through dual helm. This is a really easy platform to be able to use and provides a ton of seating. There's going to be storage underneath all of those seats by those loungers, really comfortable whenever you're out there on the water. As we step into the middle of the boat, you can see we do have our dual helm chairs. This is really nice for your passenger whenever you're out there kind of facing forward, looking ahead. On our dash here, we have our Fusion head unit, which is going to be Bluetooth audio, so you guys are going to be able to take care of that. And then all of your switches as well as your analog dials, and then you are going to have your low rance hook system. This is going to be chart plotter, fish finder, depth finder, really useful when you're going out to those new lakes that you haven't been out on. As we finally step forward into the bow, you can see we kind of have the reversal of those seats in the back. Again, there's going to be storage underneath all of these, as well as a really nice place to sit, so you're going to use a ton of this platform. Again, this is a Crest 220 LX here at MarineMax Texas MasterCraft. My name's Tyler Smith. Give me a call, we can get you squared away.